We build our form right inside the controller, which was really simple. But it makes our controller a bit ugly, and if we needed to reuse this form somewhere else, that wouldn't be possible. For those reasons, the code to create a form usually lives in its own class. Create a new form directory and a new file called register form type. Create the class, give it a namespace, and make it extend a class called abstract type. We need to add a few methods to this class. The first and least important is getName. Add this and just return a string that's unique among your forms. It's used as part of the name attribute on your rendered form. The really important method is buildForm. I'm going to use my IDE to create this method for me. If you create yours manually, just don't forget the use statement for the form builder interface. The buildForm method is where we build our form. Genius! Copy the code from our controller that adds the fields and put that here. Finally, create a setDefaultOptions function and set the data class option to it. That's it! This class is now a recipe for exactly how the form should look. Remove the builder code in our controller. Instead, replace it with a call to create form and pass it an instance of the new register form type. Refresh. We've conquered forms. Some quick review. A form is something you build, giving it the fields and field types you need. At first, a form just returns an associative array, but we can change that with the data class option to return a populated object. Forms can also be built right inside the controller or in an external class. Got it? Great! Let's move on to validation.